Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your place. Today's thought of the day is the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Means whatever difficult a task is, you can only complete it if you first start with it.
Now children, before starting with our topic, first today we are going to learn cardinal number and ordinal number, okay, because this we are going to use in our words, to write in words in fraction, right? Come on. So cardinal number and ordinal number might be you had learned before, but again we are going to revise. Come on, let's start. 1 is the cardinal number, right? And the ordinal number of 1 is first. Okay. Next is 2. The ordinal number is known as second. Cardinal number 3. Ordinal number is known as third. Third. Then 4. Fourth. Fourth. 5. Fifth. 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 6. Sixth. Sixth. 7. Seventh. Seventh. 8. Eighth. 9. Ninth. 10. Tenth. Okay, so these are the ordinal numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so only here when you will see first, second and third spelling you have to learn. Fourth spelling, whatever we are writing for, that only we are going to write and we will just add th, right? And in 5 also the spelling is different, so you have to learn it. Okay, the rest all are the same spelling, just you need to add th. In 9 also we are writing NINE, but in ordinal number we will write NINTH. Okay. So students, you have to learn the spellings of ordinal numbers because we are going to use these words in our fraction. Okay, we are going to learn from 11 to 20 words. Come on. 11 is the ordinal number. What will come? ELEVEN. 11. The same spelling, just add th at the back. Then 12. What is the spelling? TWELFTH. See, here the spelling is different, so you have to learn it. 13. THIRTEEN. 13. The same spelling, just add th. 14. Same spelling, add th. FOURTEEN. 15. 15. FIFTEEN. 15. 16. SIXTEEN. 16. So, as you can see children, in all the spellings we are adding only th. 17. SEVENTEEN. 17. 18. EIGHTEEN. 18. 19. NINETEEN. 19. And 20. TWENTIETH. So in 20 also when you will see we are writing for the cardinal number name, what we are writing? TWENTY. But when we write ordinal number, it will come TWENTIETH. So children, these spellings you are going to learn. Okay.
Okay, children, now see what is here. One circle is there, right? And how many parts are made? 1, 2 and 3. So total 3 parts are made. Okay, now out of this, if I shade one part,
any of the part, out of 3 part, any of the part, if I shade only one part over here, then what will be my fraction? The fraction will be, what we are writing at the bottom, we are writing the total parts, and out of that how many parts are shaded? Here one part is shaded, so I will write down 1 here. So my fraction will be 1/3. Okay, what I will write down? The ordinal numbers which we had already studied just now. This number, okay, this number we will write down the ordinal number of that. 3 का जो भी ordinal number होगा वही हम लिखेंगे. तो यहाँ पे हम words में लिखना होगा तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 1/3. 1/3 नहीं लिखेंगे, कार्डिनल नंबर नहीं लिखना है हमको. कौन सा नंबर लिखना है? ऑर्डिनल नंबर. ओके, whatever the number is written here, in that we are going to write down the ordinal number. Okay, I will show you another one. See now, this 1/3, it can be any figure. The only thing which I had already told you previously also in my previous video, that in fraction the parts are equally distributed. फिर वो कोई भी shape हो, right? It can be like this also. As you can see that all parts are equal, and out of that if I shade one part, then my fraction will be 1/3. Okay. Okay, now in this circle you can see how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 parts are there. Now one by one I will show you how we are going to write down the fraction. So first I am going to shade only one part. If I shade only one part, children, then what will be the fraction here? So what you will see, first total number of parts, how many are there? 5 are there, and out of that I had shaded one part. So the fraction will be 1/5. And how we are going to write down in the words? We are going to write down 1 जो है वो हम कार्डिनल नंबर लिखेंगे यहाँ पे 1, and 5 what we will write down? 5th, right? 1/5, FIFTH. So if you don't know the spellings, first learn the spellings and then you write down. Okay, come on. Now after shading one part, now suppose if I shade 2 parts, so my fraction will be 2/5, right? And like here we had written 1/5, here in the second one we will write down 2/5. 2/5, right? Same way, if I shade 3 parts, then 3/5. I shade 4 parts, then 4/5, right? In that way we are going to write down the fractions. Now children, now look here. Suppose this is 2/5, right? Now children, what number is this? Come on. What number I had written here, and how we will read this number? So there are 3 ways which I had already taught you. That is, you can say either 2/13 also, you can say 2/13 also, or you can say 2/13th, right? Cardinal number and ordinal number. Now children, there are specific names for this numbers. Okay, specific names मतलब ऊपर का जो नंबर है उसका एक अलग नाम है और नीचे का जो नंबर है उसका भी एक अलग नाम है. तो what do we say? First I will show you the top number, that is 2. What it is said, ऊपर का जो नंबर होता है उसको बोलते हैं न्यूमरेटर. Children, what is it? Numerator. You have to learn the spelling also here. NUM, okay, NUMERATO bottom, this number, that is the total. Okay, so that name is denominator. Denominator. So there are specific names, okay, for these numbers. So the number which is here, right, the number which is the first number, that is before this line, that number is known as numerator, and this number, the total number, is known as denominator. What does this mean? When we see this fraction, what does it mean? That from 13 part, right, from 13 part, 2 parts are taken. Suppose if I am talking about the bar, that chocolate bar, dairy milk, okay. So suppose there are 13 bar of chocolates over here. I will draw this and make 13 bars of chocolates, right? So these are 13 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay. Now, make this little bit big to make it equal. Okay. Fine. Come on. Now, so there are 13 bars of chocolates over here, and out of that I had eaten 2 bars. Okay. So this 2 bars I had eaten up. So what will be the fraction now? Means total how many bars I was having? 13, and out of that 2 are taken off. मतलब 2 ले लिए हैं, right? So that is the that is known as numerator. The numbers which I had taken off, that is known as numerator, and the number which is the total number, that is known as denominator. So these terms you have to remember. Okay. Now we'll move to our exercise. Children, now you have to open your Canopy book and take out exercise number 2.4. In that, what is the first question given? Read the fractions and write them in words. Okay, so here fractions are given to you and you have to write down in words, which I have already showed you. So what you will write for this? I will show you 2 examples over here. What fraction is over here, so you will write, you are going to write in words in your notebook, because there is no space in the Canopy book. Okay, so you will write down in your notebook. So what you will write down? 7 9th. This number cardinal number and this number ordinal number. Okay. Now, what fraction is this? 2/7, right? So you will write down here 2/7. Okay. So this way, children, there are other examples also given, and you will write down the words, that you will write down the fractions in words. Now, second question, what is given? Write the numerator, denominator and the fraction for the colored part in each. Okay, so here the figure is given to you, right? Suppose here one figure is given. I'll show you one. One circle is given to you like this, and in that this way the circle is given to you, and this part is shaded. This way the parts are shaded, right? So by seeing the figure we can make out that what is the fraction over here. But here what you have to write down, you have to mention what is numerator and what is denominator.
Okay, so the numerator here, what is the denominator? First we will count the total number of parts. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So denominator is 8 and numerator, how many parts are shaded? So that we will write down. So how many are there? 4. So numerator here is 4, denominator is 8. Okay, and then what is the third column? That is fraction. So what will be the fraction over here? Fraction will be 4 upon 8. That you have to write down in figure only. Don't need to write down in words. Okay. So this we are going to complete. Other two figures are also given that you are going to complete in your book, in the Canopy book only. Now what is given in C? Fill in the blanks with N for the numerator and D for the denominator. So here also children, what is given in first one, I will show you. Here it is given in 5 upon 7. 7 is the. Okay, so here specific only one number is given, that it in 5 upon 7, 7 is the. So what is 7 here? 7 is denominator. So you will just write down D over here in the blanks. Okay, so same way what is given in the next 11 upon 17. So 17 is the, what is 17 here? Denominator. So you will mention only denominator D over there. अगर न्यूमरेटर का नंबर है तो आपको n लिखना है, डिनोमिनेटर का नंबर है तो आपको d लिखना है. Okay. Now children, in exercise 2.5, what is given in exercise number 2.5? Write what fraction of the whole is shaded. Okay, so here also the figure is given to you. I will show you one figure which is given in your exercise. This way the figure is given and this part is shaded. Okay, so total how many parts are there over here? Total 9 parts are there, and out of that 6 parts are shaded. So our fraction will be 6 upon 9. So whatever the total is there, that you will write in denominator. Whatever the part is shaded, that you are going to write in numerator. So that exercise you are going to complete in your Canopy book. Now you will turn your page. Same thing. What is given now in question number B? Color a part of each whole to represent the given fraction. So here children, the fraction is given to us. Okay, the fraction is given and the figure is given, which is totally plain. But we have to shade the figure by seeing the fraction whatever is given. So here one figure is given to us. Total 7 parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here one more 7. Okay, this way the figure is given and the fraction is written 5 upon 7. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to just shade. You have to see that out of 7 I have to shade only 5 parts. So I will count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and then I will shade like this. Okay children, so it's very simple. You have to just shade with linings or color. You can use color crayons also to make your picture colorful. Okay, so use crayons to shade this and show the fraction whatever is mentioned below. Okay children, so this way you are going to complete your exercise. Okay, bye.